help me with this madness. OMG. Nada, mamá, que el closet está regado. Oh, please help me. Okay, so I got some stuff in Target. I got these as seen on TV. I guess, what do you call this? Hangers, but then it fits a few shirts here or whatever it is that you're going to hang. So I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think this is gonna help me. It's a pack of what, 10? So I think it's a good amount. If anything, I'll go get more. But yeah, there's a pack of 10, so I wanted to start with this. And then I got these, so it can help me with like jeans or whatever. And then I got these that are also meant, well, they're not meant for jeans, but they're actually meant for like this. But I've seen a few people use them as jean hooks. So kind of like in the store, like Abercrombie and all that stuff that has like the jeans hanging like that. So I'm gonna try that out. I don't have many jeans, so maybe this could be for jeans and then these can be for work pants. I don't know. And since I have a whole bunch of shoes that I don't really use every day, I don't use heels anymore as much, so I got 2 of these at Bed Bath & Beyond, so I can store some shoes, put them on the bed, and have more space in my closet. So we'll see how that goes. Hi.
Hi.
¿Qué comes?
Chocolate.
You're eating chocolate? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is just empty out the closet. All the clothes, I'm going to start putting it on top of the bed. Now that everything's out, I'm going to start off with Janelle's clothes. I'm just going to sort off the things that don't fit anymore, things that she doesn't wear anymore. I'm also going to try on some sweaters to see if she can still use them this winter coming up. Now we'll start with my side, and I'm pretty much doing the same thing, just sorting out the things that don't fit, things that I no longer wear, haven't used in a long time, and things that I want to keep. But Janelle's side looks a lot better. Like, look how many things actually stayed in here. I have a few dresses to put back in here, but comparing that, it was just like, you know what I mean? That's looks fantastic. Oh my god, like these hangers have been life-changing. Wow, this is such a space thing. Like, I love it. It helps you organize a lot better. The space is amazing. Like, this was full and now this is all empty. So I had this already, and this is where I put my jeans and my work pants. So my jeans, I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it there, but OMG. And then these that had like 4 different hooks, I used them for dresses and cardigans. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Nearly nowhere near done, as you can see. But man, this space looks good. And Janelle's space, normal. Super. And now this is all empty, so I have more space up there. Yes, so work in progress. 2 full trash bags full of clothes that either don't fit or I just never wear them anymore. Mostly because they don't fit, but that's gonna go to Goodwill. So yeah, this has been great. It's already almost 7 o'clock, so I think I'm gonna call it a day and just continue tomorrow. So it's the next day and I'm focusing on the floor now, which is basically my shoes and some of Janelle's purses that are thrown here. But I do want to remove all the shoes that I no longer wear, as well as the shoes that I don't use as often, like heels and boots. So this is what the storage looks like. It is amazing, and you can just put this underneath your bed and it just saves a lot of space and it just slides right in. Originally I bought these with the intention to use them for my jeans, but then I went ahead and got the idea to use them for my purses, and it worked perfectly. So it brings a pack of 3, and I decided to hang the ones that I either mostly use or just in general the ones that you can actually hang, because my clutches, I just stored them somewhere else. And then this hanger that I got a long time ago at Target, I'm going to use them for Janelle's purses. Moving along to the hats. So I am going to hang these hats. The caps on its own, I decided to put them in here. But then the sun hats, I am actually going to hang them using these command hooks that I actually got at the Dollar Tree. I've seen this in Pinterest before where people just hang them and have it as decor, and I actually like it. This nightstand here, I'm gonna use it like kind of as my vanity. That's where I have all my makeup. My dad needs to fix that. I have no idea how to put it back in there. But yeah, comparing, this is where I put my hats, my shoes that I wear mostly, which sneakers, sandals, and flats are here. The heels are under the bed. I put the caps in here, my pouches, my purse, like my pouch purse is there. And this is what I used. This is what I winded up using for like my jeans and pants. And then those S's, I used them for my purses. The ones that I normally use. And there you go. These are amazing. I recommend them 100%. It's such a space saver, especially even if you have like a normal amount of space. They're good for like sweaters if you don't wear them all year, because I live in Florida, so it's pointless to have them all out. So yeah, oh my god, this was great. Or formal dresses, all of that is there. And Janelle's side look a lot better because I got rid of things that don't fit. Her shoes are in there and all her purses are here. But yes, I am so excited for this. This has always been there. And yeah, this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more organizational videos. And and I will see you on my next video. Bye. All right, just wanted to show you really quick because I actually last minute decided to add this bench that I have here in a random place in the house that made no sense. So I put it here. Hello. And this rug that used to belong to Janelle's teepee, but I did something else. So yeah, so that's the bench. And then I also picked up this mirror, this wall mirror at Walmart, and I liked the color because it was like this soft pink. So I'm gonna put that in the wall, and yeah, so there it is.